It's a very quick way of splitting firewood in a short time if you don't have a splitter, you just have an axe. So let's get to it. So I stacked them all up. You know, try to get your logs even as much as possible. Some are lower, but you want to put them around. I got some big ones, so you know, making sure you see a good variety that I'm splitting. This is all juniper. It's really nice wood, good for cooking. So I put 2 straps together. You can see the strap going around. So you want to, you know, tap them all together, put your strap around, and ratchet, tighten it up. It will loosen up when I'm splitting, so I will tighten it up as I go. Doesn't take long. So that one's split. I'll just go around. Got to be kind of accurate, or you get a lot of small pieces and big pieces. So that log's done. I haven't picked the log up off the ground yet. That's the whole point. Learn, split them up. Definitely a workout, but you don't have to pick them up. One more hit on that one. Almost got the strap. Next load. Down. Hit. Done. 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 So right now I'm probably almost half the way through it. This one here. This one's done. Come on, baby. Didn't really set myself up for a little room, but done. Cool thing is, you can take a break whenever you want. But quarters done. Definitely a workout. More hit. That one. Looking around for more. I think I got them all the size I want. That one's good. Okay. One more right here. There we go. And this one. I got a buried one or two. Alright. I'm hugging. There we go. Alright. So, done splitting. So let's see how much I got. So, clean off the trap. Tag them up. Let's see what we got. Good chunks. Sometimes they stay a little bit together. You kind of have some that are a little bit together. Maybe I missed that one a little bit. Let's hit it. That's happened. All right, buddy. There we go. Down on the knife cutter. You guys get the idea. I didn't even count the pieces, but you can count them if you want. That's the big chunks in the middle of the night. Split to what you need. Big chunks. This is a nice one here. Love it. Perfect. Gotta have the big ones if you're doing a heat in the house. Gotta have the ones that are solid after your fire's gone. Awesome. I'm not even halfway through yet. Burner there. one. Split to the size you want. I split some of them a little big, like these two, but that's what you want, and that's what you split. Got some smaller ones. Yep, still stacking. I love juniper. I cook on it. Good for heating, good for cooking. I smoke with it. My job is a meat cutter, so I get a lot of meat that I can cook up. I need some big pieces and small pieces. Go. You split to your needs. You want a big piece like this or the little ones. You just got to do a couple more hits. Wow, that didn't take long at all. Oh, Rosie, you helping? Here you go. Here you go, Rose. Yeah, she likes to help too. You gonna put it up there? I haven't taught her that yet. That'd be pretty cool. Here you go, Rose. You got your log? Alright. She loves coming over and getting a little piece of log. She can chew on. I'll let her chew on it for a little bit. This stuff's not too bad and splintery, so no big deal. So, all in all, you guys get the idea. The splitting firewood. I'm more tired of stacking them up and splitting them. You want them smaller? He's got to hit them just a couple more times. Maybe I'll miss this one. I don't care. This is the way stuff goes. It's not a perfect video, so. You wonder, it's like, well, I did it, and look, this is how it went. It wasn't like that. I have them too, so. If you have concrete down, it makes it more solid. It might split easier for you. I'm just doing quarter minus underneath, so. Also, a log laying down, you don't have to have it standing up all the time. You can do that. It does split. So I'll flip this over. Little trick. It'll split. You don't have to be standing. Go a little harder. There we go. One good hit. There we go. Well, that was a little knot on the end, but you can do it laying down. How many times I have to go back and hit? Like 5 times maybe, but for the amount of wood, look at all that. That's pretty good. Not bad at all. Move, Rose. Watch out, girl. Good girl. So, I don't know. That's maybe 1/8 quarter, maybe. Maybe. Don't quote me on it. I know. No way that's that amount, but it's still a good amount in a short amount of time. So, I'll show you what I split. Nope. Including the rosy piece my dog took. Okay. So, here's all the wood. Short amount of time. Pretty efficient. Just with an axe. you don't have a splitter, that's what you got to do. So thought I'd show this video. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe. I have lots of tricks. This isn't the only one. Subscribe for my next wood splitting and firewood season. I'm gonna go get some water. Arizona heat. Gotta stay cool. Drink lots of water. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.